Tatami is a living piece of tradition, craftsmanship, and natural beauty. Made from igusa rush grass, tatami offers firm comfort and a connection to centuries of Japanese culture. But without proper care, it can harbor allergens or even mold, which causes it to lose its beneficial properties. That's why weekly care is so important. It's a routine to protect your health, your investment, and a legacy. Here's how to ensure your tatami stays fresh, fragrant, and resilient for years, in just 5 simple steps. Start by vacuuming along the tatami weave. This removes dust and crumbs trapped in the fibers. Next, gently wipe the surface with a slightly damp cloth or antibacterial wipe. This step removes grime and kills hidden germs. Spray a fine coating using a mixture of 1 part distilled white vinegar and 3 parts water onto your tatami. The vinegar's acidity is gentle yet powerful, helping to preserve tatami's natural oils and fight odors. Let your tatami air dry naturally or with a fan. Ventilate all sides and prop up the mats if needed. Sunlight and airflow prevent moisture buildup, keeping your tatami fresh. Nourish your tatami with 3 to 4 drops of hair and body-safe olive oil on a squeeze dry cloth or wet tissue. This prevents brittleness and restores its natural shine. Repeat these steps weekly. Just a few minutes of cleaning can protect your tatami against wear and allergens. Remember to treat it with love, and it will serve as your companion for decades.